Missed the shift to third. What's up? KLX is feeling fresh. Just did an oil change in her. Well, not today, but I haven't run it since I did the oil change. Did an oil change and an oil filter, which I haven't done in a little bit too long. Probably like, I don't even know, 1,500, 2,000 miles. I don't know. It's been a little bit too long since my last oil change. Oh man, the dirt's looking good today. Woo! Past 2 times I've been here, it's been wet. Is it really? Yeah. You said you didn't like it on the street?
I'm saying the rebuilt forks, the way that shit's working.
Oh, and this dirt out here is nice as shit right now.
Hell yeah.
What year is that?
2020.
Oh, so it's got electric start and all that? Hell yeah. Oh my god, that was so sketch. Oh my god. Hit that new section. Oh yeah. It's like perfect for a turn track. See if I can get a good angle. Brah. Oh yeah.